Is the Power XL grill really smokeless? Let's find out! Welcome to Nikki's channel. Let's marinate some beef. For this recipe I have roughly 2 pounds of sliced beef. Add in 2.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Then add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add a few dashes of black pepper, then add in 1 teaspoon of salt and combine well. And let it marinate in the fridge for 10 minutes. Let's start grilling. Before using this grill, I highly recommend that you wash all the components. That way it doesn't give you this plastic smell when you start the grill. The first thing you have to do is remove the drip tray, add in 2 cups of water. By adding water, it helps you with the smoke filtration and doesn't smoke up the room. This is the reason why you add water to this tray. Another way to add water is to fill it up into the water compartment. To turn on the grill, all you have to do is slightly touch the power button and the fan button. The maximum temperature for this grill is 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can either increase or decrease the temperature, but I like to heat up my grill all the way to 450. As the grill is warming up, you notice that once it hits the certain temperature, the lights will no longer flash, just like this. So I set this grill to the maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This will take roughly 4 to 5 minutes to heat up. You can see that once the temperature is heated to the desired temperature that you set, it will turn into a solid blue color. Now that the grill is set to the temperature that we want, let's start grilling. Since we're using a non-stick pan, you don't need to add any oil. Let's add some beef to the pan. How amazing is this? I don't even see any smoke that's coming out of this grill. With the sizzling sound of the beef and the smell, I'm really hungry now. So let's speed up this cooking process. I'll place a link below on these cool tongs I'm using. Oh gosh, see the grill marks on these beef? It looks so good. I'm just loving this grill already. And do you see? Without adding any oil, the beef didn't even stick to the pan. Time to speed up the cooking process again. Check this out. Do you see? No smoke whatsoever. And we're done. This only took 4 minutes to grill. And you can simply lift off this glass lid just like this. And when you're done grilling, just simply tap the power and the fan button. Looks so delicious. Let's try it out. I highly recommend this grill. It is truly smokeless. I'll leave a link in the description and you can order your one today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.